Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are well and you all are using FunToot. Yes, students, we are taking a revision. The questions from FunToot. Okay, students. Now, in our previous video, we have solved many examples based on fractions. Yes, students. In that, we have taken so many types of questions. Now in today's video we are going to take examples based on decimal. Okay, now you can see on the screen question is there. First question is fill up the blanks with appropriate answer. Okay, now these questions are from decimals and I think you all know what is decimal, which part is called decimal part, which part is called whole part. Yes, students. Now, the digits in the decimal part is called dash. Now, in the decimal part, the digit is which digit? The digits in the decimal part is called what it is called? Yes, students. The decimal digit or decimal number, what it is called? Yes, students, tell me the answer. Now the next is decimals having the same number of decimal place are called like or unlike. From this you have to select. Okay, now see the answer. Answer is the digits in the decimal part is called decimal digit. Okay, and the decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. We already learned this. What is like decimals, which part is called decimal part, which part is called whole part. Okay, after decimal point, if the number of digits are same, then that decimal is called like decimal. Okay, now the third is decimal having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimal. Yes, students. Now take another. The next is fill up the blanks with appropriate answer. Okay, the first is in the number 46.173. This is a decimal. Okay, dash is the whole number part and dash is the decimal part. Which part is whole part and which part is called decimal part? Yes, the digits which are before decimal, that means 46. 46 is called whole part. Yes, and after decimal point, whatever the digits are there, that digits are called decimal part. So decimal part of this is 173. Understand this? Okay, the next is 357.625 has dash decimal places. Now how many decimal places are there? You have to count that. Okay, next, like decimals have dash. What? They have equal or unequal? Yes, they have equal number of decimal places. This is the definition of like decimal. Now 4 point and then 3.7, 3.70 are dash decimals. Are they equal or are they unequal? Okay, now you can see there is an answer also. Now in the number 46, 46 is a whole part, 173 is a decimal part. In the next, how many decimal places are there? After point, how many digits are there? You have to count. 6 is there, 2 is there, 5 is there. 3 numbers are there, 3 digits are there. So the decimal places are 3. Now like decimals have equal number of decimal places, and the last is unlike decimals because after decimal point the number of digits are not same. That's why they are unlike decimal. Okay, students, let's take another example. The next is also the similar one. Fill up the blanks with appropriate answer. Okay, which is obtained by inserting zeros to the right of the decimal part. Now first is we have to make the number in like decimal. 9.5, then 9.50, 9.500, which are obtained by inserting zeros to the right of the decimal part of the decimal number are called, okay, after inserting they are called equivalent decimal. Yes students, this topic is also learned by you, okay. I taught you which are called equivalent decimal. Yes, if you put number of zeros to the right, they will become the equivalent, okay students. Now 1 gram is dash of a kilogram. How much it is? Yes, 15 meters is dash of a kilometer. Then 1 centimeter is dash of a meter. How much they are? 1 gram is 0.001 of a kilogram. That means 1 gram is equals to 1 upon 1000. Okay, 1 upon 1000 is written as 0.001. Okay, and 15 meter is 15 by 1000, so it is 0.015. okay, and the 1 centimeter is 0.01 meter, and 9 kilometer and 50 meters is written as 9.050 kilometer. You know how to write in decimal also, okay students. Let's take next example. The next is 9 kilometers of 5 meter is written as dash kilometer. Now you have to do this. Pause the video and write the answer in a rough notebook. Okay students, and you have to comment in comment box the answer of all these questions. That means you have to fill up this. 9 kilometers and 500 meters is written as dash kilometer. Then 885 and 4000 is written as dash, and 56.007 is written in the words as. Now here are the options from which you have to select which option is correct one. Okay, pause this video and try to solve these examples. Okay, I will give some seconds for you to solve this. Okay, let's take another example. The next is, all the questions are of fill-ups. Okay, fill up the blanks with appropriate answer. The third position after the decimal point represent the dash. The third position, okay, the third position represents, first position represent tenths, THS at the end. Okay, now the second is hundredths, the third is thousands, at the end DTHS. Okay, you have to remember this. Now the fractions with the denominator as power of 10 are called. Okay, now the denominator which having the power of 10, they are called mix or decimal. Which it is called? Yes, decimal. Yes, it is called decimal. Any extra dash added to the extreme right hand side of the decimal number doesn't change the value of decimal. Which number or which digit is, if we add at the right side, okay, at the right side of the decimal, it doesn't change the value. Which digit is this? That digit should be 0. Yes, because if we add 0 to the extreme of right side of decimal, then it doesn't change the value. Okay students, let's take another example. Decimal numbers have two parts, dash part and dash part. In decimal part, which two parts are there? Yes, first is whole number and the second is decimal. Yes students, these two parts are in a decimal number. Yes, that's correct. Okay, let's take one more example. Fill up the blanks. The first is 9.75 will be read 9 point, yes, how we are going to read 9.75 or 75? We are going to read as 75. Don't read as 75, okay? After digits, after decimal, the digits are read as the number itself. That means what number they are indicating, okay? Don't read as 75, 99, okay? Now 0.5 and 0.500 they are equal or not equal? Yes students, they are equal, okay? Now let's take one more. 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 0.5 they all are equivalent because all the values are similar. 1 upon 2 is the 0.5, 2 upon 4 is also 0.5 and 0.5 is 0.5. If you want to verify, you can verify, okay? The next is the first position after the decimal point represent the dash. Yes, it represent tenths, okay? Now the second position represent hundredths. Like this you have to solve the similar type of questions, okay students? Let's take another type of example. Now you can see on the screen the next type of example is choose all like decimals. Now among these options, which are the like decimal, you have to choose that, okay? What is like decimals? The like decimals are the number of digits after decimal that should be same, okay? Now you can see in the first option 306.129 after decimal how many digits are there? 3, okay? So if any decimal that having the 3 decimal points, 3 decimal digits after decimal point, then they are like decimal, okay? Now you can see on the screen the first is similar, that means it is like to second one because in second option also number of digits after decimal are 3. In the third also it is same because the number of decimal digits are same but not the fourth one. Now you can see the fifth one. In the fifth also number of digits are 3 but see in the last only 2 digits are there. So these 4 options are like decimals, okay students? Understand this? Now let's take the similar example, similar type of example. Choose all like decimal, okay? Now we have to choose all like decimals. Now only we have solved that type of example, okay? Now you can see the first, second, then the fourth one, then fifth one. Only these 4 are like decimal. Yes students, because the number of digits after decimal are equal, okay? Let's take another example. Choose all like decimal, okay? In this example, which are like, yes, after decimal 4 digits here, 4 digits here, here also 4 digits. That means only these 3 are like decimal, okay? Let's take similar type. Choose all like decimal. This question is for you. Pause the video and write the like decimals. Which are like decimals? Only write that much. Don't write the other one, okay? Solve this. Try to solve. Let's move to another example. Choose the set of like decimal for the following: 4.6, then 149.483, then 853, then 1128.324, then 7.130, then 78.68. We have to choose the set of like decimal for the following. Which are the set among these are like decimal set. Okay, now in the first example, 149.48, the number of digits after decimal are, in all examples are same. Yes, in all are same. In the second also the similar one. Third, if you see, you will get the answer of this. Now the correct solution for this is the last one. Okay, because in one option the number of digits after decimal are 3, so we have to make all the decimal number as having 3 digits after decimal. So 4.6 can be written as 4.600. Okay, we have to see in which it is 4.600. Now you can see in the second option is there, in the third no, but in the last it is also same. So the second and the fourth is near to our answer, but we have to check for other also. 853 can be written as 853.00. Now we have to check in which it is same. Okay, so we have to make all the digits as like decimal. So first make all the digits, all the decimal as like decimal, then after choose your correct set from these options. Okay, understand this, how to select. Let's take similar type of example. This is choose the set of like decimal for the following. First of all, make all these decimal as like decimal. Okay, first make the like decimal, made. Okay, now see in which option your made decimal numbers are there. Okay, this question is for you. Try to write the decimal digits as like decimals. Okay, students. Now the next question is 0.7 star dash is equals to 7. Star means, yes, star means multiplication. Okay, 0. We have to multiply 0.7 by such a number so that it will become 7. From which we have to multiply, yes students, for making this number as 7 we have to multiply 0.7 by 10. Yes, if we multiply by 10, then our point, that means decimal, is shifted to the right side. Yes, these type of examples we have solved. We have learned when we multiply any decimal by 10, by 100 or by 1000, then the decimal is shifted to the right side of that many zeros the number having. Okay, that means 10. In 10, 1 0 is there. So if you multiply 0.7 by 10, then the point is shifted to the right by only one place. Yes, we have learned this. If you multiply it by 100, then it will be shifted 2 decimal point, that means after 2 digits. Yes, so we have to shift here only one after 1 digit. So we are going to multiply this by 10. Yes, so 0.7 multiplied by 10 we will get as 7. Okay, let's take another example. Dash is multiplied by 10, then it will become 6, to which we have to multiply by 10 so that it will become 6. If we multiply 0.6 by 10, then it will become 6. Yes student, so answer for this will be 0.6. If we multiply by 0.6, then it will become as 6. Okay, understand? Let's take next example. The next is dash multiplied by 100 so that it will become 71, to which we have to multiply 70 so that it will become 71. Okay, yes students, for which number? 0.7. If we multiply 0.71 by 100, then it will become 71. Okay students, understand this? Let's take another example. Dash is multiplied by 1000, so that it will become 6. Now which number we have to multiply by 1000 so that it will become 6? Yes, the correct answer for that is 0.006. If we multiply that number by 1000, then it will become 6. Okay students? Now add the following. First is 0.1, second is 0.7, then third is 0.3. We have to add this. What will be the value? Yes, let's take the example. The answer is 1.1. How? 0.1, then take that next one, that means addition, then 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 1 11, so 1.1. okay, how to give the digits, decimal, I already taught you. Okay, now the next is add the following. First, make all the decimal number as like decimal, then after take the addition. Now in the example you can see all are unlike. Yes, so first we have to make them like, then after take the addition. Take the numbers below one another and take the addition and tell me the answer for this. Okay, this example is for you. Pause the video and try to solve, that means try to add. What number will come, you have to tell me. Okay students, let's take another example. This example is of multiplication. If you know the multiplication, I think you have know the multiplication. This is, you can see this 49.823. 9 is a unit place. At tens place 4 is there. Now after decimal, the first position is tenths place. Okay, after the n, th is there. Okay, the next is, that means second position is hundredths place, and the third is thousandths place. Okay, now this is multiplied by 52. Okay, we have to multiply this by 52. What number will come? First 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, then 2 8s are 16, 1 will be carrier. Simply multiplication we have to do, and after multiplication what number will come, you have to give the decimal to that number. Okay, that means how many digits are there after decimal in the question, that many digits from the right side you have to, after that digits you have to give the decimal. Okay, understand this? You can see here the multiplication is done. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 1 will be carry over, 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19, carry over 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, and after 6 no place is there, you can write there 0 also, or addition is there. Okay, but leave that first place. Okay, after the first operation done. Now we have to multiply this by 5. 5 3s are 15, 1 will be carry over, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 is there, then again 1 carry over, then 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 1 41, 1 is here, 4 will be carry forward, then 5 9s are, then 5 4s are. You have to take the simply multiplication, and after that take the addition. Okay, now answer is this one, 2590,796. Now we have to give the decimal. In the question 49.823, after decimal how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So decimal point have, from the right side leave that many digits, 1 2 3, then give the point. Okay, that means 697, 3 digits are there, so give the point and then write your answer. Okay, understand how to give the decimal? Okay, let's take one more example. This example is for you. Try to solve this. in the next video I will take more example. Okay, this I think first chapter is over, fraction and decimal. I have taken all the examples from that. Use the fun tool so that your doubts is clear. Okay, in this so many types of examples are there, you can solve that. In the next video we are going to take the next chapter.